Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to choose affiliate products to promote, or you can say what to look for before promoting any affiliate programs or any affiliate products. So if you are affiliate marketer and know nothing how to choose or pick any affiliate product to promote, or what to look for before promoting any affiliate programs or affiliate product, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can choose affiliate products to promote and what you need to look for before promoting any affiliate product, right? But before telling you this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then yes, down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So guys, now here without any delay, let me show you how to choose any affiliate products to promote, or you can say what are the things that you need to look for before promoting any affiliate products, right? So guys, here my first thing is that guys I'm assuming that you have picked the product, guys, right? You know, okay, this is the product or this is the affiliate program that you are going to promote, right? So guys, here what are the things that you need to look for? First thing guys, I would say go to their sales page, guys, right? And on the sales page of the affiliate product that you are going to promote, first thing that you need to look for their message, guys. This is the message that is resonating with you. This is the message that is you can say appealing to you, and this is the message when you read this message and you must say like, wow, yes, this is for me, guys, right? So this is the first thing that you need to check on the sales page of the affiliate offer, guys. So as you can see guys, I'm promoting one of the product that is one funnel away challenge, guys, right? So by going its you can say sales page, guys, I'm going to check its message, guys. Is it appealing to me? Is it something that you can say resonating with me? Like the life you want, the marriage you want, the family that you want is going to be fueled by the business you build, right? This is somewhere appealing message, guys. How would you like us to hold you by the hand as you launch your first or next funnel? This is another, you can say, message, guys. And if I scroll to the bottom, guys, do you want to grow your business online but you have no idea where to start? Guys, can you see that? This is message for someone who is beginner and know nothing how to grow online business, right? And that very person is you can say having no idea from where to start, right? So somewhere this is this message is also appealing to me, guys, right? Do you have a company that's been successful but for some reason you are feeling stuck? Yeah, if you have company and you are not growing your company, somewhere you are stuck, then yes, this message. So guys, here overall idea is that you need to check their message, their sales message, right? So yes, if this is okay, then yes, go with, you can say, next thing. This you can say product is good, guys, to promote, right? Second thing, guys, that you need to look for, guys, that yes, they check out their video, guys, right? If this video is something that is appealing to you, right? Because guys, as you know that people buy because of the story, guys, because of the story. So yes, as you can see in this video, Russell Brunson is somewhere telling the story, guys, right? And video is somewhere appealing, guys, right? You can say when you watch this video, somewhere you like that video, guys, right? So yep, this is, you can say, second thing, guys, that you need to look for, guys, that there must be video and there must be, you can say in that video there must be story, guys, because guys, we buy because of the story, because of the emotion, guys, right? So you can see in this is a very great video, guys, great sales video, guys, right? By the way, guys, if you want to join one funnel away challenge, then yes, down below I have put the link for this training. You can go and check out, guys, right? That's what you're trying to create for them. If you do that, so guys, yeah, this is the second thing. Now third thing, guys, that you need to look for look for, guys, you can say their bonuses, right? No doubt they are promoting their stuff, guys. They are promoting their stuff, like their product, like as in our case it's a one funnel away challenge, right? This is one of the product, right, that they are promoting. But you must look for, are they offering any other bonuses, guys? Guys, we love to buy from someone who gives something extra, who gives can say bonuses, guys, right? So yep, they are giving bonuses, then yes, it's a good product to promote, guys, right? So yes, you can see they are providing some bonuses, right? So yep, it's a good product to promote. So this is the third thing. Now fourth thing, guys, that you need to look for their testimonials, guys. This is very important, guys. You know that people buy because of the social proof, right? So yep, if you see so many testimonials, so many social proof on that sales page, then yes, this is a good product to promote, because people are going through this training or product and they are getting results and they are talking something nice. So yep, this is a good product to promote, guys, right? So yes, you must look for testimonials as well as any social proof, guys, right? So as you can see that, guys, there are testimonials.
Your business, it'll change your life, but most importantly, it's going to change life.
You can see there are testimonials, right?
Business is not about you just making money. But you'll find very quickly as you go through this process, the excitement and energy and motivation for money doesn't last long. After you start making money, what will light you up is your ability to serve these.
So yep, this is, you can say, fourth thing that you need to look for, guys, right? Before choosing any affiliate product to promote, guys, right? You need to look for their sales page, guys, right? Sales page tells everything, guys, right?
If you spend the next 30 days, put in the time, put in the effort, put in the energy.
And guys, fifth thing that you need to look for, guys, their sport, guys. This is very important, guys. Just like, you know, you can write any email to them, right, to their sport, and see how they are behaving with their customer, right? Are they providing help instantly? Are they supporting their customer instantly? If you see that, then yes, it's a good product to promote, guys. If they are providing help, if they are supporting their customer instantly, then yes, it's a good product to promote, guys. This is very important, guys. Whenever I decide to buy any product to promote, guys, I look for this thing, guys, how they are treating with their customer, right? How they are supporting to their customer. If they are, you can say, giving reply to their customer instantly, they are supporting, you can say, their customer instantly, then yes, it's a good product to promote, guys, right? So guys, this is the fifth thing that you need to look for, guys, before promoting any affiliate product or before choosing any affiliate product, guys, right? So these are the 5 things, guys, that I would highly recommend you guys, you need to look for, guys, right? So guys, yep, you can see that, guys, right? There are testimonials, right? Yeah. So guys, same thing, guys, as you know that this was one of the example, guys, right? By the way, if you want to promote this one funnel away challenge, then yes, you, down below I will put the link so that you can go and become an affiliate of this product, guys, right? And yes, guys, here one thing, guys, I always say, guys, rule of thumb as an affiliate marketer is that, guys, before promoting, guys, any product, guys, first you need to go through that very product, guys. And when you see that, yes, this product is really great and it is providing great value, then yes, go and start promoting that very product, guys. Don't promote any product just for the sake of making money, guys, right? Don't promote any product that you are not using personally, guys, right? Only promote the product that you are using personally, because guys, when you promote the product that you are using personally, then guys, in that case, if someone comes to you and he or she asks more information about that very product, then yes, you will be in a better position to explain about very product, guys. If not, if you are not using that very product personally, then yes guys, you will be in a, you can say, in a doubt, right? And you will not be in a better position to explain about this very product guys, right? So this is very, very important guys. Yes, before choosing any affiliate product to promote, yes, first you go through the product, and when you find, yeah, it is a great product, it is providing great value, it is providing solution to the problem of your ideal customer, then yes, it's a good product to promote guys. Right guys? So yeah, that should be in your mind guys, right? So yes guys, these are the 5 things guys that you need to keep in your mind guys, right? Same thing guys, there is another product that I promote guys. It's a work with Sebastian program. So guys, same thing guys, again I'm telling you, I'm showing you the example guys, what are the things that you need to look for guys before promoting any affiliate product. So same thing guys, this is another product, sales video guys, right? It must be appealing to you, it must be resonating guys, and their message guys, right? How would you like to leverage my 7-figure marketing agency to start your new online business much faster and let me do 90% of the work for you guys? This is a great message guys, right? So message must be something that that you say, yes, this is for me, right? So yeah, as I told you, right? So sales video, then message, and yes, testimonials guys, what people are talking about this very product, right? This is very, very important. And right, what bonuses they are giving along with the product, as you can see, they are giving bonuses guys, right? Sport, right? Done for you proven sales funnels, right? Done for you proven email swipe files, then proven marketing angles, right? So yep, if they are providing bonuses, then yes, it's a good product to promote guys, right? And yeah, there are testimonials guys, this is very, very important. And yes, as I told you guys, yes, look for their support guys. If they are supporting instantly, then yes, it's a good product to promote guys, right? And yes, same thing guys, same you can say principle apply here guys. Before promoting any affiliate product, first you go through the product guys. This is very, very important guys, right? So yes guys, these are the things guys that you need to look for guys, right? By the way, if you want to join this work with Sebastian program, then yes, down below I have put the link guys, you can go and check out guys, right? Yeah, there are video testimonials guys, this, right? You can go and check out. So guys, now you know what to look for before promoting any affiliate product or any affiliate program guys, right? And how to choose affiliate products to promote guys, right? So I have you can say given you some of the pointers guys that you need to keep in your mind before promoting any affiliate product guys, right guys? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all, have a nice day. Bye bye.